Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Gamma 1 and 2 legendary finish. To start, you must first unlock and complete the superhero story arc within the game. This arc introduces the characters and sets the stage for obtaining their powerful abilities. Pay close attention to mission objectives, as certain conditions are crucial for success. We'll break down each step to ensure you can add these impressive finishes to your collection. To secure Gamma 1 legendary finish, you'll need to tackle Parallel Quest 120, titled Superhero's Arrival. During this mission, focus on defeating Gamma 1 using either a super attack or an ultimate attack. It's also vital that your character maintains over 80% of their health when the mission concludes. Meeting these specific criteria will significantly increase your chances of earning this coveted finish. Next, for Gamma 2 legendary finish, proceed to Parallel Quest 121, known as Gamma 2 Challenge. Here, your primary goal is to defeat Gamma 2 exclusively with an ultimate attack. Timing is also key. Aim to complete the entire mission within 5 minutes to maximize your chances of success. Persistence is important, as these legendary finishes sometimes require multiple attempts to unlock. Once you've successfully obtained both Gamma 1 and Gamma 2 legendary finishes, verify their presence in your character's skill customization menu. You can then equip them to your custom character and showcase these impressive moves in battles. Remember, mastering these finishes takes practice, so keep honing your skills. For more great content and other deals, including a link to read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, make sure to check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.